Welcome to Soterion, the leading provider of business-centric GRC solutions. In this video, we will demonstrate the Materialised Risk Manager. Traditional SAP Access Risk Reporting highlights potential risks. In other words, the access risks based on the roles assigned to the SAP users. Access risk reporting has evolved over the years, moving from potential risks to identifying and highlighting risks based on the actual use by an SAP user of the conflicting actions or functions. Soterion's Materialised Risk Manager enables organizations to identify risk where an SAP user has not only performed conflicting actions, but has done so for the same document. A common example would be a user that has created a purchase order and has also released the same purchase order. To provide more focused reporting, Soterion's Materialised Risk Manager allows the organization to configure the query for relevant fields and data, such as selecting only the purchasing document types that are associated with standard purchase orders, such as document type NB. This will then exclude all non-relevant purchase orders, such as internal stock transfers. Each occurrence of a materialized risk is flagged as a case in Soterion and sent via workflow to a materialized risk owner. Each case will then be reviewed and the case status will be updated. Further documentation can be linked to the case for audit purposes, such as follow-up dates, comments, or attaching associated files. By extensively scrutinizing the SAP transactional data, Soterion enables organizations to continuously monitor those access risks that have materialized, ensuring a more effective access risk management capability. Enhance your organization's access risk capability with Soterion's Materialised Risk Manager. For more information, contact us at info@soterion.com.